What's up, guys? It's Logan coming to you from North Carolina, back with another video today. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a boat cleaning product. We're going to take a little bit different spin today. We did our 100-hour service on our Yamaha there the other day. We're getting ready to go to Key West 2 weeks. Super excited about that. Gonna have some good video, I hope, for you guys for that. Using Heiko. If you don't know Heiko, check out Heiko Winkler, South Florida Fishing Channel. He is currently helping me learn how to do videos on YouTube. I want to give him a quick shout out because I've come a long way by using his Real YouTube Profits course. If you're getting new into doing videos and you need some help, can't recommend it enough. He'll help you with everything. Check out his website or his videos. It's South Florida Fishing Channel, and big shout out to Heiko. Today the product we reviewing is StarBright Premium Cleaner Wax. I cannot say enough good stuff about this. In the upcoming video here, I'm going to show you a little bit of how it worked, and this stuff's amazing. I'm not employed by them, sponsored by them. I get no kickbacks for this video, but I cannot say enough good stuff about them. We started by washing the boat with the StarBright Blueberry Boat Wash. It's just a boat wash, it's nothing special. It does great for what it is. And then we use the Instant Hull Cleaner for getting the hose marks and whatnot off, shoe marks, I don't know, anything, any kind of, smudges or whatever that won't come off of the regular wash. That stuff works good, but it does absolutely nothing for any oxidation on your boat. The cleaner wax is the way to go. I've actually heard also that, that you can use it for stuff around your house. So feel free to give it a try if you watch this video and you enjoy it and want to give it a try. I'm not going to say it only works on your boat. This stuff's amazing for metal, for plastic. Anywhere that I had water spots or oxidizing on my boat that I couldn't get anything off. I've used McGuire's products. They work okay. I'm not going to dog on them at all, but it was not near as easy as this was. Again, the product is StarBright Premium Cleaner Wax. It gives it an amazing wax after it takes the oxidization off. It works on metal. It worked on even a little bit on the seats, the plastic on my boat, the plastic rubber bumper there. Amazing. I mean, just, I can't say enough. Here in a second, you'll see a actual demonstration. And I just wanted to throw this out there so you don't waste a bunch of money like I did trying to find a good product when you can just see it work right here before your eyes. So here we go. Hey guys, for video, I went ahead and put a little bit on a rag, but it's the StarBright Premium Cleaner Wax again we're going to do. Have some on a rag here. I've done a few spots. Look how dirty, dingy this is. This is just washed, pressure washed, and cleaned with StarBright Blueberry Boat Wax, Boat Wash. I want you to see how easy this old chalky oxidization comes off. I mean, look at that. That's amazing. This is something I've been scrubbing on, trying different products to get off. Some of the McGuire's products, they do work, but they don't come off near that easy. Look at that. Turn around to a dry side. You can let it dry to a haze like it says, or you can just go right with it. Look at that. Gone perfect. I don't know if you can see how shiny and beautiful that is. Like down here. Again, this stuff, a little bit of hard rubbing, all those black marks from my hoses rubbing, all that, just gone. Oxidization just gone that quick. I want you to look right there. See right here, this line where I just did it? That is beautiful. I'm talking about butter smooth too. This product here, I can't say enough good stuff about it. I've tried it here. See how clean this is? Look at the water spots here. If you fought water spots before, you know how tough they are. Let's try it with this cleaner wax. Do a little bit of rubbing on. Flip to a dry side of the rag. Look at that beautiful shine. I mean, you can see me filming in it. It's so beautiful. Let's try right here. If there's enough still on the rag. You saw how little there was on this rag. Look at this, and look at this. I just did that one. Let's try right here. Right in front of your eyes. And I don't even know if they actually advertise this stuff for metal. I actually did it by accident. I got a little bit on it earlier. Wiped it off and saw, look at that. I mean, that's brand new, brilliant, amazing shine. That quick. Hard water spots, and we all know how hard they are to get off. Can't say enough good stuff about it. I'll show you here. Not sure how well the video will come out, but I already did this side of the boat, and look at that shine. That is amazing. Before, it was kind of a chalky, oxidation. You'll see down this side. This side is done. And above, look at the top where I haven't done it. Look at the shine down here. And look up here how hazy this is. Now I'll take you to the side that I've already done. Look at that. I mean, showroom finish shine. Again, just wanted to share that with everybody. This right here, it's maybe $10 or something at Bass Pro or Cabela's, probably Walmart too. StarBright Premium Cleaner Wax. And this is what I started washing the boat with before, StarBright Blueberry Boat Wash. And then when you get it clean and you're ready to give it that showroom high gloss finish as it shows there, this stuff is great too. So that's it for today. I just thought I'd share that and let everybody know that if you're looking at a boat cleaner for light oxidation, some water spots here and there, I've even heard that you can use this on shower tubs and whatnot. So maybe I'll try that later on today. And in our shower, we have a glass that has terrible water spots, so like everybody. So thought I'd share that with you. Thanks. So guys, to wrap it up, I want you to follow me on this journey I'm about to take, starting a new channel. I'll be doing reviews like we did today, maintenance like we did the other day, fishing, anything boating, outside with water, maintenance. Any products I try that I like or don't like, I'll try to share it with you. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Let me know what you'd like to see. Please subscribe to the channel. I will try to put out content as regularly as possible. I'm a father of 3. I'm a father first, a boss man second. Got a great career in concrete and construction. If you ever have any questions about that or want to see some videos on construction in general, I do massive commercial construction jobs. Could do a little sideline for that. Anyway, this is my review for the day. Can't say enough good stuff about it. Hope you try it out. If you like it, hopefully I saved you a little money, because I sure wasted enough looking for a video on what really worked and the stuff that they said did not work. Anyway, see you next time. Thanks.